We visit the convenience store nearly every day. The customers use the food shelves more than the beverage cooler. We need to attract the customers to the front of the cooler door. Our mission, let the customers choose Coca-Cola at Cooler Door.
뭐 마실까?
뭐 마실래? 알로에?
아니 알로에 말고 이거 뭐가 제일 맛있어?
We've got an idea of influencing the customers at the final point of purchase. Replace the cooler door by transparent LCD and play the beverage ads. Well, let's see. It provides the full-screen ads in the foreign interactive brand contents and discount events at close range. At last, re-stimulate the desire to drink by playing the Coca-Cola Fizz and jingle as the customers grab a handle. "69% of customers said TLCD media is helpful. Choose brands." TLCD ads media provides brand wow experience to the customers. Sales performances to the advertisers as a goal.
와 이거 봐. 너무 예쁘다. 콜라 마셔야지.
We've made it!